A major victory for victims of clergy sex abuse.
An appeals court ruled today those victims can go after millions of dollars the Milwaukee Archdiocese tried to shield or protect.
Steve Shamraz is here to explain what this all means. Steve.
Charles and Carol, the Archdiocese argued a $58 million cemetery fund was protected by religious freedom. The court today threw that argument out and now gives victims a chance to go after that money.
For victim advocates like Peter Isley, the appeals court ruling is a second chance.
We believe it kicks open a door, resets the bankruptcy that's been languishing for 4 years.
Isley believes clergy sex abuse survivors can now go after a cemetery fund worth at least $58 million. The Archdiocese argued that money was set aside to care for the final resting places of Catholic faithful and protected by religious freedom. In a statement tonight, disappointment. A church spokesperson said, "We believe our position is consistent with the law and Constitution." The question now, was that fund created to shield church money?
And he says why he set up this trust, why he did this.
Isley claims it was and points to a 2007 letter from Archbishop Dolan to the Vatican. That letter says the newly formed trust offers, quote, improved protection of these funds from any legal claim and liability. On the phone tonight, a spokesman for the Archdiocese said there was no scheme. The cemetery money was always in an informal trust. Dolan was only seeking to make it official.
What's an informal trust? In other words, it wasn't in a trust.
There is no telling how much time this will add to the already protracted bankruptcy and sex abuse cases, or how much more this will add to the Archdiocese legal bills. Charles and Carol.
Yeah, it could be a game changer. All right, thanks, Steve. New